Okay, we're on to our third egg dish, and this is probably the most difficult to execute of all of them. We're going to do poached eggs. Okay, it sounds like an easy, but there's a lot of factors you need to take into consideration to actually get a perfect poached eggs. The first thing is to make sure that your eggs are absolutely fresh. If you haven't got fresh eggs, then you're going to get very much the dispersal of the egg white itself. In here, I've got a pot of boiling water. As you can see, it's just going to turn it down one digit. As you can see, it's nice and deep, okay, and it's got about a 4% acidity level to it using vinegar. Okay, the vinegar will help the egg white coagulate as the egg drops through the water. If the egg is lovely and fresh, the white will coagulate and it will actually cause there to become a coating around your egg yolk. The other thing is always put your eggs into small containers so that you can actually put the container slightly in the water. And the other thing is don't use the eggs directly out the fridge, because if they're too cold, again, it might impede the way that the egg goes. So if you can just come up and see the water here for me, see how it's just rolling gently. It's not boiling ferociously, but it's rolling gently. And I'm actually going to take that down another half a mark on this induction stove, and I'm going to just add my eggs one at a time. Now, some people believe that you should stir the pot and put the egg into a pot that's been stirred. Personally, I don't agree with that. I'm going to do 3 so that with any luck, we should get 2 perfectly cooked eggs out of it. Just going to make sure they don't stick to the bottom, which they shouldn't do. And then I'm just going to leave them there gently to cook on. You will get a little bit of the white scum come up on the top, which we can remove as they're cooking, because we're going to not need that at the end. So as you can see, there's a little bit of the egg white that has come away from the eggs, but they're in there. They're not boiling too fast. If you boil them too fast, what tends to happen is the egg white then disperses even more out of encasing that lovely yolk in the center, which is what you're looking for. And as you can see, the water is still just gently ticking over. The eggs have come to the surface now, okay, and they're just poaching gently. They're going to take 2 to 3 minutes in there before they're cooked. Personally, because I've cooked them in a little bit of acidity, I like to then remove them, put them into a bit of just plain boiling water. That will wash off the acid flavour, and then I'll dry them. I'll trim them if necessary, if they're looking a bit odd in shape, and then I'll put them onto the serving dish. So as you can see, we're it's doing nicely here. They've all come to the surface, and they've got nice little sacs around them. So hopefully we're going to have 2 really nice eggs here that we can serve. Give them a couple more seconds. You can really see that I'm not letting them boil too fast. If you let them boil too fast, them egg whites will just dissipate and go all around your pan, and you'll have wasted half the egg that way. To be honest with you, half the egg won't be usable. So give these a couple more seconds. Okay, right. I'm quite happy that these now are ready to serve. I'm going to lightly lift them out. I'm going to just put them over here, trim a little bit off the sides, and then slip them into my other pan. And as I said, the reason I'm doing that is to make sure that we don't have too much of the vinegar flavour on them. Okay. Okay, so they're nicely in there. Get rid of that bit. Okay, so as you can see, I've dropped them into a pot of water now. They've washed off the slight acidity. I'm going to choose the 2 eggs that I like the best, that have the best shape to serve up today, which is going to be them 2. Again, I'm just lightly draining them off here on my cloth so that we don't have a lot of water all on the serving plate. And there we go. Got 2 beautifully poached eggs ready for service. And that's our 3 egg dishes for today. Thank you.